G'day, Steve here from Smart Water, landscape irrigation experts. Today I'll be going over the features of the Hunter Pro HC controller. These units are available in 6, 12 or 24 station capacity. They come in an outdoor lockable enclosure with the key there. Really robust, good quality unit. They come with a 7cm full colour touchscreen display, and they are quite flexible in that you can have 6 programs and up to 6 start times per program. There's also advanced program options via the app that allows you to have up to 6 start times per station, so a lot of flexibility there. They have 2 separate sensor inputs, allowing you to have a flow sensor and a rain sensor as an example. They have 1 master valve / pump start output as well. They also have a built-in milliamp reader, which will give you information as to your solenoid valves in the field. If they're starting to fail, it'll give you a warning so you can preemptively know when you're going to have issues with solenoid valves. These units are Wi-Fi enabled, so they would connect to the Hydrawise platform via your smartphone or tablet. We recommend doing all your programming via the smartphone or tablet. While it does have the touch face buttons here, it's much easier to do via the app to do all your programming. So via the app you can do predictive water adjustments based on local weather data, so it takes real-time weather information and adjusts your scheduling, and it's really flexible and it allows you to set and adjust what those triggers are as to whether you can suspend watering or in some cases do extra watering based on weather conditions. The other really great features with these controllers is the flow monitoring. So when using a Hunter HC flow meter, sold separately, you can wire them into the controller and it gives you real-time data on exactly how much water you're using on each zone, and it'll also give you warnings if you're using too much water on a particular zone. So it does a learned flow, works out you're using a certain amount of water. If you then go over that by a set percentage, which you can adjust, it will warn you so that you know you've got a blowout and you can go out and repair it before it does too much damage. Another really great feature with the Hunter Hydrawise app is the contract and management features. So if you're an irrigation installer or a landscaper, you can go onto the app and you can manage all of your clients' controllers all via the one software. These controllers have a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. These are a great option when you want Wi-Fi connectivity and you want the ability to adjust your scheduling based on real-time weather information. Really good, flexible, reliable controller. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep your eyes out for more product videos from Smart Water.